evening, viewers. This is Deepika bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Don Bosco YouthNet, the European network of Salesian youth organizations, celebrated its 20th anniversary. Today, the DBYN has 18 affiliated organizations spread across 16 European countries. For 20 years, DBYN has been offering seminars, study sessions, training courses, youth exchanges, study-related visits and other projects to young people from its member organizations. The network immediately achieved great success and continues to grow. After a first experience, most of the participants perceived a sense of belonging to an international community, and the feeling of belonging to the DBYN family begins to be felt. The 20th anniversary celebrations were held on August 22nd. A weekend of celebrations was originally planned in Germany, but due to this pandemic, this celebration was postponed to the summer of 2021. So the party moved online to Zoom. The celebration began with Mass and continued with the greeting of the first and the last presidents of the network. In recent days, the Salesians of the Central Italy Circumscription (ICC), the Lombard-Emilian Province (ILE), and the Southern Province (IME) gathered each in their own offices to participate in their respective meetings and assemblies. Specifically, the ICC held its Provincial Assembly, the ILE the Day of the Councils of Educational Pastoral Communities, the EMI its Youth Ministry Conference. The ICC Provincial Assembly took place from 27th to 29th August in Rome under the theme, "In the heart of the world, this is your field, this is where you will go to work." In the presence of Father Juan Carlos Perez Godoy, Counselor for the Mediterranean region, the Assembly's central theme was its focus on young people in the current context. The Salesian province of Slovenia has announced that at dawn on 28 August, the Salesian priest Matilde Domic died in a tragic road accident just before the Hungarian-Slovenian border crossing. Father Domic was born in Ljubljana on July 13, 1985, of Croatian parents. He entered the novitiate in Penerello in 2008, made his perpetual vows in Ljubljana on 13 September 2015, and was ordained a priest in Ig on 29 July 2017. Father Domic was in charge of the Sevnica Oratory and would have continued his priestly service in Meghalaya, Vojvodina, Serbia, where a Slovenian Salesian community operates in a Hungarian-speaking environment. Father Domic had studied the language with the Hungarian Salesians. The accident occurred while returning from Hungary after completing a cycling feat covering over 200 kilometers around Lake Balaton. On 29 August, during the Eucharistic celebration in the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians in Valdocco, the installation of the new provincial of the Special Circumscription of Piedmont and Valle d'Aosta ICP, Father Leonardo Mancini, took place. The second edition of the Geo Beach Party was held at the Colonia Don Bosco, Playa di Catania. The event, promoted by the Salesian Youth Movement of Sicily, saw the participation of several animators of the Salesian houses. This year saw reduced participation due to social distancing and measures for containing coronavirus. The event was broadcast in live streaming by the social communication team of the Salesian of Sicily. During the homily, Provincial Father Giovanni Di Andrea emphasized, "We must be guided by the gospel and not by the fashions of the time. It is necessary to be in the world with the mentality of the Christian, following the model of Don Bosco and Mother Mazzarello, and to watch over one's heart and thus become a leaven in the world." On 25th August, through the Google Meet platform, the inauguration of the Interprovincial Center for Salesian Spirituality, CIES, took place, starting the first level of Salesianity course. The provincials of the Salesian provinces of Colombia were present at the event, as were the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, Daughters of the Sacred Heart, member of the Salesian family and of the Salesian Youth Movement of Colombia, for a total of 120 participants, including 65 enrolled in the course. The CIES is coordinated by Father Ruben Dario Jaramillo SDB and supported by the Interprovincial Joint Formation Commission of the Salesian Family of Colombia, established on 8th July 2017. Past pupils of the National School of Arts and Crafts, founded in Port-au-Prince in 1936, celebrated the 150th anniversary of the past pupils of Don Bosco and the 205th anniversary of the birth of Don Bosco. The event took place on 15 August, live on the Zoom and Facebook platforms with various participants from Brazil, Canada, France, and the United States, in the presence of a good number of Salesians and the President of the Pupils of Don Bosco, ADB of Haiti, Jean-Yves Alfred, Father Jean-Paul Messidor, SDB, Superior of the Vice Province of Haiti, HAI, spoke about the Rector Major's 2020 Strena and invited participants to be good Christians and upright citizens. The community of Don Bosco Bhavan Savidyos, the Salesian province of Mumbai, India, suggested to go online teaching catechism for the first holy communicants of the St. John Bosco parish every Sunday hereafter till the COVID-19 lockdown completely eases. Rector and parish priest Father Vishwas Pereira spoke to catechism coordinator and in charge Pushpa Sagalgail and asked her to check with the communion teachers Smita Salve and Susanna Tribhuvan, as well as the parents of the children. Both the teachers and the parents responded positively for the online classes to begin. The children of classes 3 and 4 were also happy, eagerly waiting for Sunday 30th August 2020 to start with the online classes, though they had to use their parents' smartphone for accessing WhatsApp. The online parent-teacher meeting for the first assessment at Don Bosco High School, DBHS, Matunga, India was conducted online via Google Meet on Saturday, 29th August 2020. The open day was well chalked out and properly executed by the collective efforts of the school management and staff. A circular with the basic instruction for the parent-teacher was prepared by the section heads and forwarded to the class teachers. The class teachers then planned the meet schedule by dividing the students into batches based on their performances. Prafulta's journey from a near standstill and uncertain situation to restarting of the services in both the online and offline modes has been as unexpected as the coronavirus. In March, when the lockdown was announced, we still had hopes of resuming soon, but as the lockdown prolonged well beyond April, Father Godfrey Dessau proactively suggested that work must continue and we must find alternate ways of reaching out to people in need. While the counseling services continued online, he decided to bring some more services in the online mode as well. He also had the vision to endeavor to reach out to the masses through various helplines and make people aware of Prafulta and its various services. For this purpose, the various departments started working hard to contribute to this vision. The vocational guidance team hosted several webinars for students and their parents to make them aware of the various professions that can be pursued after classes 10 and 12. They held a series of 4 webinars and the response received was overwhelming. The vocational career guidance online testing was also initiated and made available through an online mode. A team comprising a psychiatrist, occupational therapist, and clinical psychologists conducted various workshops under the banner of Behavioral Skills and Functional Educational (BSAFE) and Mind Essential like Aggression, Hello Life, Integrating Online Schooling, etc. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for watching.